Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And so the motorcycle journey continues, which means more upgrades. So very quickly, let's take a look at the bike and let me show you some of my thoughts on what I'm planning to make changes to. Alright, so some of the obvious things that I'm planning on changing are the turn signals. Definitely looking to get the smoked ones. And a no-cost upgrade, or if you really want to call it an upgrade, it's just a change. I absolutely hate these things. They just feel out of place, so I'm going to use a heat gun and get those things removed. Next thing, I'm going for the all blackout look, so obviously these covers will need to be changed. Walking around the bike. This cover, I like it. However, going with the whole theme of getting blacked out, I'm probably going to get a matching cover for this side as well as the other. The fuel cap is another obvious one, and something with the rear. Not quite sure yet, but let's see what happens. So with all that being said, let's start with the first upgrade, a smoked turn signal lenses. Alright, so here it is. That's the kit directly from Harley Davidson. Let's open the box and take a look what's inside. Alright, instructions. 2 smoked lenses and a pair of light bulbs. Okay. The only tool that we're going to need for this install is a pry bar. I prefer to use plastic, so not to scratch the paint and of course the caps. Okay. All right. So this install doesn't get any easier than this. You find a little notch, you put a pry bar in, and the lens cap pops off. To change the light bulb, it's also very simple. Push it in, turn it, pops right out. Grabbing your lens. All right, same idea. Push it in and turn, and that's in. And now, before I put it on, let me just show you what I was talking about. This is the little notch that needs to be, that you need to use a pry bar in. All right, put it in, snaps right in, and it's done. Let's do the same thing for the other side. So hey guys, that was super quick and easy, and definitely makes the front end of the bike look cleaner. Hopefully this was helpful for some of you. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.